Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing both devices, so do this now. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later and Siri is enabled because CarPlay requires voice control. Once done, turn the escape onto accessory or run position. This powers the sync system. Next, choose wired or wireless. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the USB port labeled with a phone or CarPlay icon, or hold your iPhone near the dash to begin a wireless handshake. Now continue inside the sync screen. After you plug in or start the wireless pairing, the head unit will show Apple CarPlay or prompt you to allow a connection. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General, CarPlay, and select your escape. Make sure Allow while locked is enabled so CarPlay appears automatically. Then accept any prompts on the head unit and your phone. This links audio, navigation, and messaging. Doing this ensures apps and microphone permissions are granted for full functionality. Finish by customizing and verifying functionality. Rearrange app icons in iPhone CarPlay settings so your top apps are front and center. Then test navigation, calls, and media to confirm steering wheel controls and the microphone work. If CarPlay won't appear, try the simplest fixes first. Swap the cable, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and restart both devices. If problems persist, reset the sync connection or network settings on your iPhone. This clears lingering pairings and usually restores a reliable CarPlay link.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.